healthy, legal, and ethical use of digital resources may be one of the greatest concerns educators have about digital technologies. Perspectives range from fear and outright banning of educational technology to a bit of reckless abandon where educators may not be aware of appropriate strategies to keep students, technologies, and data safe and secure. Not using technology prevents students from learning how to participate effectively as citizens in the world in which they already exist. As mentioned before, we are all digital citizens, and even many students who have yet to enter our schools are developing experiences and behaviors with digital technologies. Schools are the place where we can help them do so safely and effectively. There are many aspects of this standard that coaches can inform, model, and facilitate, both with students, teachers, other adults in the school, as well as parents in the school community. You may have to divide and conquer to develop a plan that meets one or more of the following aspects of this standard, such as 1. Promoting positive interactions online and in person when using technology. 2. Respecting the intellectual property of others and that which students and teachers create. 3. Creating a safe and secure environment on campus and online. 4. Being information and media literate. You may want to chat with colleagues first to determine which of these aspects to cover, or perhaps the materials and activities in the companion document will help you determine a goal that you can successfully reach related to this objective.